All right, finally, we have installed the risk management software into Bekenet Trading software. So it's available for pay as you go and is available for what? The forex trader. So for the monthly subscribers, this is where you can find it. Just click here, click on this price alert indicator. It's very simple. It's not a rocket science, very simple. Click on this, you'll be able to get it. So I'm going to be using the pay as you go menu to explain how it works. For the pay as you go, once you click on your pay as you go, you see said risk management. They are all what? The same thing. It's currently available for only forex. Why was synthetic, guys? We've already created a video that you can use to reduce your lot size to the lowest minimum. If you follow the same principle that I'm going to show you, you're going to end up having the same result that you're seeing here. This is my forex. This is for this week. I've hit what? 12 take profit for this week alone, and I've hit what? 5 stop loss. So if I have followed the same, if you have followed the same principle without you closing out your trade using irregular lot size, you end up still having a winning trade. Now, total of this is 17 trade. I lost 5 and I still win 12. So I am still what? In profit. I'm supposed to be still in profit. So the reason why you are not making money is because you are using irregular lot size. You are not using the recommended stop loss that we are using. Now, forex trading, nobody knows the specific lot size you're supposed to use. You don't just use a random number as your stop loss. No, you have to put your stop loss at a position where you know that price will be very difficult for it to go to, and that is what's the key level. So that is why you see in all my trade, I hardly hit sell. Do you understand? I hardly hit sell. Even before price will go to my sell, there should have been profit. I must have left the market in my account. You understand what you're seeing here? This is a visual trade. That this AI is designed to hold that trade until you hit take profit or until you hit stop loss. So with this, we'll be able to know that Smash 100 is the most accurate setup ever that you can think of, because currently now I can tell you that Smash 100 is way more than 85% accuracy. Do you understand? With what we are seeing with the AI, because it's taking all the whole trade, every signal that comes, is taking it. So there's no reason why you're not supposed to be making money, except that you are not using what? Proper what? Risk management. So that's the essence of this lot size calculation. And if you go to my own dashboard for synthetic, I can see I have won 7 good trade for this week. To tell you that if you still apply the same principle, hold your trade irrespective of your drawdown, you're still going to get this same result. Trading is understand the market. Drawdown is not a loss. It's only when you hit stop loss, that's when you have loss. So the reason why you panic is because you are not using the right lot size. You're not using the right, irrespective of the stop loss you're having. It can be 50, it can be 60, it can be 80, it can be 100. Just put risks what that is not going to cause problem for you. So that's the reason why we've developed this risk management, so that you can trade in peace. Currently now, we don't have issues with setup now beans. We don't have issues with setup. Anytime the software tells us to buy, we buy. Anytime it tells us to sell, we sell, because it has proven itself. Look at this: 7 take profit, 0 SL from all the old 17 pairs or 18 pairs in synthetic. We have not hit any of stop loss. That is to tell you that key level is what you're supposed to use to take your stop loss. Put your stop loss below a resistance or above a resistance, below a support and above a resistance. You will be fine, irrespective of the drawdown. At the end of the day, so long you are getting your signal from Smash 100, you are going to see profits before anything will happen, and you break even, then get out. So that's just it. So today I'm going to show you how those of you who are struggling about risk money, not knowing the right lot size to use, not knowing when to stop trading, not knowing when to that you are over stressing your account, with this risk calculator, you explain it pop and plain for you. So you just pick it and focus on that. If you apply that principle, you cannot blow up your account. There's no way you can blow up your account, because I always tell you, the reason why you blow up your account is not your setup. It is you that is having lack of management. You are not managing your account well, because you're not expected to blow your account with one single trade. It's not possible. It's not possible. There's nothing you're going to tell me. It's not possible, because each of these pairs that you see, they have their range in a day. There's no how a single trade can blow up your account when you use the right lot size that you're expected to. The worst that can happen is stop loss. The worst that can happen is stop loss, not blowing your account with a single trade. The reason why you blow your account with a single trade, you are using a lot size that is way more bigger than your account. That is why any little drawdown, your account is gone. So with this now, you understand it. If you're really serious, you want to get the same result I'm getting, because this is what I do. I'm not going to preach to you and do another thing. No, this is what I do, and this is the result, and this is the same software that I've been giving you free signal all the time. And those of you who subscribe to the app can testify that this software is actually working. So there's no need to be saying if the software is working or not, because there are evidence all over the whole places. So the only problem some of my subscribers are having is that confidence to use proper risk management. Because if you apply proper risk management, at the end of the day, look at this. This is just this week. 7 hit take profits. Imagine if you're taking all this trade now. You just relax your mind. You zero stop loss. Now that doesn't mean this trade does not go down or to have a drawdown. It has a drawdown, but it did not hit the stop loss. That is why you're seeing this profit, irrespective of your amount. So let me not bore you with so many talk. Let's just go to the application and let me teach you how to use it and apply it to your account. You will be fine. This is the best risk management system you can get anywhere. Well calculated. You understand? You're going to be fine. So it's the same thing with the monthly subscribers. You have it on your price alert indicator. Just click it, you see it there. But I'm using this pay as you go for example. So all I need to do is just come here, click risk management. Sorry, let me go back. Click risk management. Click this menu. You see what risk management. Just click it. Very, very simple. You don't need any rocket science, except you don't want to use the application, you want to learn it manually. We can give you the formula to do that, but you have to pay. You understand? You have to pay for that training. But for now, if you are using the app, you have access to the app. It's free, so long you have access to this platform. You understand? You will add this one. It's only when you have what's it called, units, money in your wallet. That's the only way you can access this place. You understand? But the monthly subscription, once you have monthly subscription, you can access it. But if you are not using this platform, you just like the concept, you want to learn it, we'll teach you. We'll give you the formula on how to do it. So that's it. So let me click on this. Click on this. Now you can see it showed you risk management. All I need to do is just click here. Now it's going to ask me the equity. The only thing I need is my equity. Once I put my equity, it will give me the right lot size to use, the numbers of position I'm expected to open on that account. If you follow this rule, if it tells you open only 4 positions in that account, irrespective of the numbers of pair, that is the only thing you're expected to do, so that your account will be more than, and you will not be risking more than what you can afford to lose. So now let's assume I'm having $100 account. All I need, just click calculate. It's going to tell me I am recommended stop loss I'm supposed to use. Recommended stop loss. Don't go and do over sabi, just trade accordingly. If you want big money, you invest big money. Don't do over sabi. If you have $100 now, this monthly subscription is $50, you can recover it. Pay as you go is $1.20. There's no way you cannot make $3 or $4 per trade you using 0.01. There's no day. The what's it called, the BTC we sold yesterday, we made about $18. So imagine, even the crypto guys, you made about $18. So even if you're spending $1.20, you are still making $15 profit. So don't be greedy. Don't be greedy at all. Follow the rules. If you have $100, this is what it's going to give you. Use just 0.01. Now let's read it. It will tell you the total lot size to use on a $100 account should be total lot size, the total of all position, meaning that you can open 0.01 on GBP USD, Euro USD 0.01, gold 0.01, what's it called? GBP JPY 0.01. So if you calculate all the lot size you are opening, should not be more than 0.04 for $100 account. So it's left for you. You can use it to stack. It may not be more than 4, or you can break it down one signal to 0.01. This for GBP. Gold 0.01. If another signal come again, 0.01. If you do it like this, you are not overloading your account. Now let's read further. The total position you are expected to hold is 4 position. That is what I just explained to you. It can be GBP USD, Euro USD, gold, US 30. 4 position only. And the lot size you're expected to use for each is what? 0.01. Very easy. For the safety of your account, you are expected to use 0.01. If you read them, you're not supposed to hard you. The expected lot size for the safety of your account, the expected lot size for you to use for $100 is 0.01. If you follow this standard, you will not have any cause to panic whatsoever. That's the risk management. Now let's increase it again to, let's say I have like $500. You know, I calculate again. It will still give me the same thing again. If I'm having $500, it will tell me my recommended lot size per trade, per signal is 0.01. Don't go and do over sabi. Follow this rule. In a week, you will be smiling. Follow this rule to the core. Follow it to the core. This is the best risk management you can get. You can get 0.05, one position. If body they catch you, say you want stack, open this thing into 4 place, which is your total lot size is going to be 0.02. That is what is calculating for you, so that you will not overload your account. But if you want to stick to one position, GBP USD 0.05, Euro USD, if another signal come 0.05, gold, if another signal comes 0.05, US 30, another signal comes 0.05. If you sum up all the lot size, you'll be having 0.2. That is the total lot size you are having. So even if you hit SL on anyone, your account is still safe. Or even if you decide to stack only gold, make sure it doesn't exceed 4 position with the same lot size. You will be fine. This is the best risk management whatsoever. It's self-explanatory. Now let's go down to the lowest lot size. Those of you who like using $10 to trade, $10, you can't use it to do anything. So let's just put it. I'll put $10. You see what it's going to tell you. You are expected to hold just one position, only one. If signal comes again, don't trade, because you don't have enough equity to hold it. One position, one position. You're not expected to do anything, and it must be 0.01. If any signal come, don't take that trade until you close that one position, because look at it. You're expected to use 0.01, just one position. Let's try 20 or 30. Let's try $30. Just be playing with it so that you know what you're doing. Let's try the same thing. You're expected to, from $10 to like $50, you're expected to use one position. Let's try 60 first. Let's see. For 60, you're expected to open only 2 positions. If you practice this thing, only 2 positions with 0.01. 0.01. If you practice this thing, you're going to make money at the end of the day. Most especially if you're using pay as you go, or you're using weekly, monthly subscription, you will recover your money and make profit at the same time. If you feel that your lot size is very small, you increase your equity. It's business. You cannot use $100 to be making $1,000. Let's try $1,000 or 1.5. Let's see the lot size we are expected to use. Do you understand? So I'm expected to use what? 0.15 for $1,000. This is just 10% of your account. 0. Per trade. So if I want to open more than double position, it must not exceed 4. And if I'm risking that, I'm risking only 0.6 lot of a total of it. So this is the best setup whatsoever. So once you get your setup for the monthly guys, once you get all the parameters right, come here and put your current equity, what you are having current equity. If you already have a position there, if you have like maybe like 4 positions there, and the system is telling you total position, you shouldn't take that trade. It's either you're closing some position, and make sure your position must not exceed 4, cannot exceed 4, if you're following the rules that we have here, so that you can get the same result everybody is having. You will be fine. Then for the synthetic, for the pay as you go, immediately your trade already has gotten to 4, or your position has gotten to 4, you can pause your AI. Because the monthly guys, you'll be the one to hustle for your trade. There's no time limit for you guys. But the pay as you go, anytime it sends you signal, it debits you. So if you have gotten 4 pairs already, all you need to do, pause your AI until you are already in profit, then you can on it again, so that the AI can be sending you signal. But those for the monthly guys, you don't need to pause anything. You have full months to access anything you want to access. Both you're using the sniper entry, you're using the trend direction, any which way, but always make sure your trading does not go more than 4 position with this lot size that you're saying. So if you do this, you're going to be fine. This is the best risk management whatsoever. It will tell you the lot size to use, the numbers of position you expected to hold in that account. It must not be more than 4. If you do that, you're breaking the rules, and anything can go wrong in that your account. So that's how it is. So if you have any question, I believe there should be no question, but if there's any form of question, anytime we're having a live streaming or something, maybe probably we're going to have one this week, maybe on Saturday, we're going to have one this week, or maybe within the week, depending how it goes, how free I am, we're going to have it, so that I can hear from you, then I'll see explain better. But with this, you're not expected to have any confusion. Just read the line, you understand it. So that's how to use Bekenet Trading risk management software that is available in the software right now. So I wish you all the best. Watch the video, watch it and watch it again, and practice it. You will be fine. For the synthetic guys, you already have what you can use to reduce your lot size to the lowest minimum. Stop loss is not an issue. Setup is not an issue. The issue has always been risk management, and it has been solved. For forex, it has been solved. Synthetic, I don't open more than 1 position. Just 1 position is okay. Follow that same pattern, you'll be fine. Very, very, very fine. You understand? Whether you like it or not, you'll be fine. Signal is not our problem. Our signal, if once we enter, there is a guarantee of 85% accuracy. It has proven itself. There's a guarantee for that. So once you take your trade, you relax. Use this pattern. Even if you hit SL the first one, out of 10 trade, you are still going to win 7. Is a must. You're still going to win 7 out of it. So that is how it is. So once you use this proper risk management, you'll be fine. And anytime you're taking any trade and you see that the stop loss is way more than what your account can hold, you leave that trade, move on to the next one. It's not a must that you can trade all the whole pair. It's not all the whole pair I trade. Do you understand? You must have a specific pair that you're trading, and you will be fine. There's no software that is like this whatsoever on earth right now as I'm talking to you. This is the best. It's not because it's my own, I'm trying to hype it. No. If you have to be sincere to yourself, this is the best software ever. And there's none of this kind. Nobody have built any of this kind. The only thing you see is the one you can install on your MT5. That's the only thing. The most popular one, they will put you into a Telegram channel and send you signal. We don't send signal. We'll give you the tools for you to generate signal for yourself, and you can use it to do a lot. If you're smart enough, you can open your own channel and be retailing this same signal to people and make good crazy money out of it. You are making money from the forex market, and you are still making money from signal services. The software is accurate, powerful. You understand? That's that. You can still make money from affiliate marketing and all that. It is powerful. When I mean powerful, it's crazy. You understand? So the only thing that we are having drawdown before for our traders is risk management, and this has been solved. So if you follow this pattern, you will not have any issue whatsoever. So that's how it is. So if you have any question, you can hit me up later. Probably within the week, I'll fix a training for that. Then we'll talk more about it. So whatever platform you're in, be it the crypto platform, the what's it called, the pay as you go platform, the sniper group, drop your question there and I will attend to you so that other people can learn too. So I'm going to upload this on Facebook, on my YouTube channel. So look for it whatsoever. I'm still going to paste it on all Telegram channel. Look for it and watch it so that you not have issues or panicking when you're taking any trade. You'll be fine. So that's that for that. I'm waiting for your questions and feedback. Thank you.